In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page in Kartra. If you're new to Kartra, think of pages as the building blocks of your funnels and sites. We'll go from the very first click to a polished layout, keeping everything simple and organized. First, open your Kartra dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Pages. This opens your page library. To create something new, click the blue plus page button. That opens the creation flow and brings up the template gallery. Kartra gives you access to a huge library of over 500 pre-designed templates, from squeeze pages and sales pages to checkout and thank you pages. Choose a template that matches your immediate goal, so most of the structure is already in place. If you prefer total control, select the blank canvas option and start from scratch. Hover over any template to preview the layout and styling before you commit. Remember, templates are just starting points. You can change every color, font, and image later. Next, give your page a clear name. Use something descriptive so it's easy to find later, like the offer or campaign it belongs to. Assign the page to a category to keep related assets grouped together. Then pick the site it should live under, which helps maintain a clean structure as your library grows. A little organization here saves time when you're managing multiple funnels. Now you're in the editor, where everything is drag and drop. On the left, browse components like text blocks, images, videos, forms, and buttons. Drag them onto the canvas where you want them. Click any element to customize it. For text, rewrite the copy and set your fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand. For images, upload your own files and compress large images to keep pages fast. For videos, choose a hosted file or embed a link and pick a thumbnail. Adjust spacing, padding, and columns to keep sections readable on both desktop and mobile. If you're using a button, set the link action. Whether it goes to another page, opens a pop-up form, or starts a checkout. Use duplicate and delete controls to work faster, and align elements so your layout feels consistent. Toggle mobile and desktop views to make sure everything fits nicely. As you edit, keep your core goal visible above the fold so visitors immediately know what to do. That's it, the essentials of creating a page in Kartra. You started from the Pages area, chose a template or a blank canvas, named and organized your page, and tailored the content with the drag and drop editor. Follow these steps and you'll be launching clean, conversion-ready pages with confidence.